Hi guys, I have been collecting succulents for a while now, and today I just finished making this ocean themed arrangement. I have gotten so much babies and I ran out of places to put them. So my husband built me this beautiful planter box, and I used some of our aquarium rocks and put them in here. That's why they're purple, and I just love them. I am obsessed with these beautiful rosettes. I just love collecting these beautiful plants, and I hope they'll survive this winter. It has been hot this summer and they did well, so hopefully this winter they'll be okay. It's about to get cold tomorrow and the rest of the week. Well, it's Florida, so it gets cold, then it gets hot during the day, and it's cold at night sometimes, and we'll see how it goes. You guys, I am just so happy that I decided to collect this type of plants. They are very easy to grow and they are so beautiful, and it makes me so happy. Look at the beautiful rosettes. I have so much more to show you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.